Good morning, children. Hope you all are reading the lesson very well. Today we are discussing about two things, about activity of this lesson and the exercise. Activity means after every chapter there are some activities. Like we done in the first chapter, weaving. Here in this chapter, the activity is collect three different types of papers: transparent, translucent, opaque. Okay, so three types of papers you have to collect and want to stick in the notebook after getting all the notes. Once again, for transparent object you can use a polythene paper, polythene cover. A small sized, a 5 centimeter sided square piece can be used for transparent paper, transparent one. So this is transparent. You should write your name. Here I written Alvin. Can you see? Okay. So place this paper over it in the notebook. Place this polythene cover over the name. Then you can see through that. That is, your name can be seen through this polythene paper. Then another one, translucent. Plastic kit can be used, a small piece of plastic kit, or this type of paper. This is also translucent. It is used for packaging. Okay. Then a small piece of translucent paper. This either kit or oil paper, or this paper can be used for translucent sheet. Then another one, third one, opaque. For opaque materials, opaque paper, you can use any colored paper. Colored paper or your covering paper also can be a small piece. Only a small piece is needed for pasting in the notebook. So collect it. Do not stick now. After getting all the notes, you can stick. Okay, so three types of papers you have to collect and want to stick in the notebook. And you should write your name, your own name, right? And through the transparent paper, you can see your name. Through translucent, little partially visible your name. Then third one, opaque. Through opaque material, you cannot see your name. Clear? So this is for activity of this chapter for sorting materials. Now, yes, now we are going to discuss exercise question. The first question is in page number 34. Page number 34, there is one question. Find the odd one out from the following. See the question. First, there are four questions. First one, chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. From this, you have to select which is the odd one. Which is the odd one? Baby is the odd one because all others are made of wood. Baby is a living thing. Now, second one, rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus. Here, rose, jasmine, marigold and lotus are flowers or their plants. But boat is non-living thing. So it is the odd one in this second question. Now third one, aluminium, iron, copper, silver are metals. Sand is not a metal. So sand is the odd one in this third question. These are metals. Sand is the odd one. Here, sugar, salt, copper sulfate dissolves in water, soluble in water. They completely disappears in water. That is why they are called soluble substances. But sand is insoluble in water. Okay. Next, answer the following questions. These questions you have to write in your notebook. First one, Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. That is in your text. First exercise, first question is this. Name 5 objects which can be made from wood. Which are the objects? Table, chair, desk, shelf, and door. Many things are there made of wood. Only 5 right there. Select those objects from the following which shine. Glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton shirt. Glass bowl has a shiny appearance. Steel spoon also have a shiny appearance. They have a luster. Steel spoon, glass bowl. Plastic toy, cotton shirt have no shiny appearance. So shiny. Now third question is, name some metals. You all know these questions answer, isn't it? Iron, gold, copper, mercury. In the last session I told you mercury is a liquid metal. Name a liquid metal, mercury. Silver and aluminium are also metals. Aluminium. So iron, gold, copper, mercury, silver and aluminium are metals. Okay. Next question is, give some properties of metals. So metals name we studied. Now some metals we studied. What are their properties? Metals are generally solids. They are hard. They have luster. They produce ringing sound. Only 4 properties you need to study now. And you want to write this answer also in your notebook. Next question is, same page number 34. The question is in page number 34. List 5 items that float on water and that sink in water. Which are the things that float on water? Dried leaf, wood, plastic, paper, oil are floating objects. They are lighter than water. Okay. Sinking objects means they are heavier than water. Which are the examples? Or name some sinking objects. Stone, coin made of metal. Glass, heavier than water. Iron nail made of metal. Honey is a liquid which also denser than water. Honey. Then oil float on water, which is a liquid. Honey also a liquid but sink in water. Okay, clear. Next homework for this session is write exercise question 7. Question number 7 of the text. Odd one out. We discussed it just now in the notebook. Write answer the following 5 questions. Which are the 5 questions? Answer the following questions and answers. 5 questions and the answers in the notebook. First one, once again. First one, 5 objects which can be made from wood. Second, select those objects from the following which shine. Third one, name some metals. Fourth one, give some properties of metals. Fifth one, list 5 items that float on water and that sink in water. So these 5 question answers you want to write as homework. Okay, we will meet in the next session. Thank you all.